Stick around to watch me build this badass scaleless RC drifter. What makes it cool? Well, the McPherson struts for starters, and maybe the fact it's 100% aluminum and carbon fiber. Shimmy! Yo, welcome to kpopRC, the channel where I make sick videos of scale models. Pretty much anything that's got a remote. Join me while I drain my wallet and build the most crazy, big, scale, sometimes outlandish RC projects out there. So, don't forget to sub up for giveaways and sick-ass RC content. Sometimes there's fire. Yo, what up? On this episode of kpopRC, we're building another drift chassis. We're doing the D9 Bulldog. This thing's pretty sweet because the shocks, it's like a one-to-one car. Like the struts bolt right into the knuckle. Right, well, in there, you can't see anything. That's fine. The next scale drift project is gonna be this chassis, so let's build this chassis. It's gonna look badass. Yeah, it will. All right, let's get to it. Okay, so I guess according to this, we gotta build the shocks, which is probably my least favorite. So I guess I'll see you guys when I'm done building the shocks. God damn it. Not really sure why these are pink. These are pink, so that sucks. I don't want pink, whatever, but like, why? Furniture stripper, I guess? Anyway, back to it. All right, so just finished putting together those shocks, and it's pretty cool. Like, I mean, the kit's really awesome. The one thing that's kind of weird is just the weight of the springs. The springs are like really stiff. I think just to get this thing to drive better, maybe a lighter set of springs is in order. But it is a really cool setup because, like you can see, it's like a real car, right? The whole assembly turns left and right. So that's kind of cool because, like, I don't think I've ever seen like a drift car that has that kind of setup, which is cool. It's cool. This is the most tedious part, is the shocks, and I am still gonna have to take this thing goddamn apart because I couldn't find my blue Loctite, and all of these screws, threads should have blue Loctite on them because this is all metal to metal, and it'll just rattle itself to pieces. Anyway, onward. Next part. Check it. Look. The back. Hey, if you want a sweet-ass discount, visit hobbywingdirect.com. Use discount code kpopROCKS for a sweet, juicy-ass discount. Word. pretty cheap, man. I was like, this thing was like 90 bucks with my discount. pretty much gone like Terminator 2, T2 learning computer styles. This build is crazy, man. It looks crazy. And you know, it probably won't drift that well, but yeah, it's gonna look crazy. It's gonna look crazy. Drift well? No. Look crazy? Yes. Alright, let's see back in a sec. Alright. See how sick these are? So I guess the example is that the steering is like part of the shock, right? Another sweet ass feature is that like wide body pan. You know, like with the last scale drift project, I had to 3D print, you know, these like side pieces that gave me a wide ass chassis. But this one, man, it's just you know, it just comes with a wide ass chassis. It's pretty sweet. Made a stupid mistake. I put the arms backwards. This piece is gonna get redesigned as well, just like the front, just because it's kind of convoluted. Like, it just does, you don't need that much just to hold the body. I think the body's gonna end up being held up by the cage, which will be in the next episode. We're gonna make a styrene, you know, 12-point cage, which should be pretty crazy. Man, I just can't get enough of this chassis, man. It looks badass. It's got me all carbon fibery, you know? It's giving me the carbon fiber goosebumps. God damn it! These guys, I'm gonna redesign this guy. That's how you front to the wash, back to the wash. So I finished building the chassis pretty much. It's like kind of pointless to get it built more than it is right now because I'm redoing the front quarter panels. I'm redesigning these so that they fit lower and the dashboard fits lower, and the dashboard actually is moved back about an inch so that on this E30 touring it like all fits together pretty well. And then also I'm kind of starting to plan out where the cage is gonna bolt to. So I'm gonna have to 3D print sort of these like recessed holes where the styrene fits in. So yeah. Anyway, so right now I'm like trying to figure out exactly how to modify, because I already kind of have a loose idea of how these are gonna go, but gotta make sure it all fits. The front radiator support's gotta screw into these, so it's a lot of work. Plus my studio is pretty messy. Anyway, onward, forward. Let's keep going.
Oh, crap. Oh, crap. So now I can adjust it. So. Now we can adjust this height. So it can be anywhere from here, which is probably too high. No, that's stock. So.
I'm actually not quite sure why it was designed this way, but the front quarter panels were really high, and I don't think a lot of bodies would work very well with the stock front cross member. You know, like the radiator support and the you know, quarter panels there, like the structural quarter panels are really high. You know, like if you were to put any regular 1/10 scale body on top of this chassis, you would have a huge gap, like probably like a 1-inch gap at the bottom, which doesn't look scale as shit in my opinion. And you can see I'm kind of battling that here because you can see how far the bottom of the bumper of this E30 wagon, it's not touching the bottom carbon fiber of the chassis. So this body's got to go down, and I'm pretty much battling it revision after revision to try to get it to sit in the right position. And I want the dashboard to sit in the right spot too, so I'm just like trying to move things around just to get it to all fit right. And I'll get it. I'll get it. Don't you worry your little heart. Ah, yes. Alright, well, design by revision is kind of difficult. Just pretty much printing out these quarter panels every time I have a revision. I'll print another set. Which kinda, I mean, I guess it's a little inefficient, but it's fun, I guess, just to slowly refine your design. And plus, like, I guess you don't really come up with ideas until like you're sort of in it, you know? Instead of this, I'm just gonna use that because this doesn't do anything. Nothing screws to any of this shit. So it's like kind of like, I mean, you get ideas and you're like, oh, you print one out and you try it on and you're like, oh wait, I guess this could be higher, it would look cooler this way or whatever, or we can get rid of this part, whatever. You know, and it slowly evolves, like through revisions. Pretty badass. That's the way I like to do it, anyway. I don't know how you guys like to do it, but that's how I like to do it. I think it's fun. So, you know, you guys should probably get a 3D printer. All I'm saying, because it's fun to make your own parts. It's too far. Oh no, wait, no, it is. It's too far. I'm gonna have to print them again. I don't want to print them again. Fudge. Like, this is gonna come back like a centimeter, almost a full centimeter. Because otherwise the dashboard's all shiesty ball sacks. It's gotta go up and over. God damn it. Yo! That's it for this episode of kpopRC. This project is just getting exciting. It's just getting started. And we're gonna be doing some cool ass shit It's gonna be scale as shit. I can promise you that. And there's gonna be some cool stuff, you know, because it's gotta have some cool stuff. I don't know what yet. Actually, kind of an idea, but I'm not gonna ruin it right now. Stay tuned. Next episode, we're definitely building the cage. It's gonna get a huge cage that'll look super badass. Also, let me know in the comments below what color I should paint it. My bro at 911%, he's saying to go like a stock color, you know, like you know, trying to find some cool super stock color, and then making sure all the black trim is like super, you know, contrasty. So the color's got to be something different than the black trim, because all the black trim's got to be there. Anyway, what else? What else is super exciting about it? I don't know. Maybe we'll have sound on this one. Maybe this one will make some noise. Also, I gotta get rid of those individual throttle bodies, because you know, it would be so much cooler with an intercooler, and so much cooler with a dual turbo in that engine bay, rather than those 4 ITB stacks. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Also, oh man, I'm just talking your ear off. If you want to support the channel, if you want to support kpopRC, visit kpopRC.com and pick yourself up a t-shirt. Pick up yourself some swag, because that enters you to win the Adam LZ project, which I'm less than 1,000 subscribers away from doing the giveaway. So don't forget to share kpopRC with your friends and fam. Get them on the kpopRC. And let's get to 100,000 subs. Anyway, K-pop out.